Challenges facing smallholder indigenous chicken farmers in accessing market information, a case study of Misungwi district, Mwanza, Tanzania. Indigenous chicken farming in Tanzania is an important economic activity that has the potential to improve the livelihoods of smallholder farmers, yet their profitability remains low due to a lack of information required at the markets. This study is to review the challenges Tanzanian smallholder chicken farmers face while trying to obtain market information in the Misungwi district. This study was carried out in 4 purposefully selected villages in the Misungwi district. This study used a sample size of 40 respondents. The study employed a survey, interview and desk study research design, and both qualitative and quantitative research approaches were used. Stakeholders were interviewed, including 4 traders, 4 middlemen, and 2 extension officers. Quantitative data were analyzed by using analytical models and Microsoft Excel spreadsheets, while qualitative data were analyzed using a content analysis procedure. The result of the study revealed that the price information has an impact on improving the bargaining ability of smallholder chicken farmers in the marketing system. The constraints to accessing market information in the study area are associated with the lack of information services, an inadequate number of extension officers, high illiteracy, a lack of awareness of the market information services, and a lack of means and facilities by which information can be easily accessible. It is therefore suggested that there is a need for the Misungwi District Council to place more weight on better practices on access to relevant, current, and appropriate market information for smallholder chicken farmers on prices based on the information provided, which will increase their bargaining power for their chicken. Introduction. Indigenous chickens are the most common type of livestock in Tanzania and play a big role in the lives of rural families by providing food and income. Despite high demand for chicken meat and eggs, the supply remains low because indigenous chickens are mostly raised by smallholder farmers using traditional free-range methods. These farmers usually keep small flocks and face many challenges, especially in accessing important market information. Without knowing current prices, customer needs, or where to sell, it's hard for them to earn good profits or grow their businesses. Access to accurate and timely market information helps farmers make better decisions, get fair prices, and improve their incomes. However, many rural farmers struggle to get this information. This study focuses on understanding the problems that prevent smallholder chicken farmers in Tanzania from accessing market information, aiming to help improve their farming and boost indigenous chicken production to meet the growing demand. Conclusion. Indigenous chicken farming in Mwanza is an important economic activity that has the potential to improve the livelihoods of smallholder farmers, yet their profitability remains low due to a lack of information required at the markets. The study has revealed that market price information has an impact on improving the bargaining ability of smallholder chicken farmers. Availability and access to relevant, accurate, timely and adequate information on prices through extension officers and other sources will enable smallholder chicken farmers to make timely decisions. Furthermore, smallholder chicken farmers provided with price information received a higher price than those who did not receive market price information, and the majority of farmers did not receive market information before selling their chicken. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.